What's going on YouTube? I'm back at again with another video, and today's video is I fixed the car. I didn't film it because it was raining, but that side that had the damage. Alright, just changed the back door. There's the old one with all of that on it, and here's the new one. I got to change the front door tomorrow when I have more time on my hands. But yeah, the car's coming along. It's gonna be a madness. This side I had the damage on that door and that door, I fixed it. I bought the car like that. That's why I got it for such a good price. So I've just changed the doors now, and I'm about to. Okay, yeah, you told him that. Well, I didn't know that because I wasn't here. And I told him that the doors are dusty, so we're gonna get the car washed. Yeah, so we're gonna get the car washed, or wash the car, and I'm gonna show you guys what the doors look like and the improvement of what the car looks like. And I'm gonna put a before picture and an after picture. So you can see the work that I've done. And for my new subscribers, fist pumping it, don't leave me hanging. You know what I mean? Got more lit content coming, just keep tuned. Yeah, keep tuned in. Keep tuned in. See you lot in a bit. In a bit. I was about to say in a pit. So what I've also done today is, guys, when I was turning the car to the left, it kept making this squealing noise. Would you say it's the squealing noise? The squeaking noise. And it was the brake shield rubbing on the brake disc. So I bent them both back, and it's not doing it anymore so far. And I put 5mm spacers on the front as well. I put two 5mm spacers at the front, and then to see what it sounds like if I got an air filter on it, I just took the air box off and I'm driving the car to just see what it feels like. And I can hear a bit of a turbo. Alright, we've arrived at the jet wash car wash, but it's busy. There's a car in there, and then there's another car. Oh, there's this woman behind me that was using this car. Alright, so that car wash is full. So I think what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna go try and find a jet wash car wash. I like to wash the car myself. Jet wash. I must say it's a nice day today, man. It's sunny. It's sunny, man. It's a nice day. I hoovered and cleaned the car as well. Guys, let's see if we can hear it. We're next in line. I'm trying to debate, shall I go for the manual one over here, or shall I go for the one I do myself? Manual is doing it yourself. Automatic one or the manual one? Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Alright, this is correction. Yeah. This whole vlog is just really sat in the car. Alright guys, I'm about to get it washed at this one. Standard. I'll just go for a standard wash. What do you think? £3 wash? If you want, yeah, go on. Not sure you get to see that. Anyway guys, when the car is finished being washed, I'll literally turn the camera on and show you guys what it looks like before it's on. Alright guys, ready to reveal the side of the car now? Bow. There's no more damage. As you can see, I've changed the door and the lock. Everything works like it's meant to. There you go. Mad thing. Change the front and the back door. It's looking shiny and nice. Just had it washed. Yeah. And I also just rewired this parking sensor because the wire was hanging down. And yeah man, car's looking nice. So the only issue I had when changing these doors is basically right here. It had a bolt like this, let me show you, like that, but in the back it the back bit snapped off that holds the thread on, so it was just spinning, it wouldn't come out. So what I had to do was I had to get a little angle grinder thing and literally angle grinded it off, and now I've put like a nut and a bolt on it literally, and it holds it in like how it's meant to be. Oh crap, I forgot to put this thing back on. There you go. Well, I'll sort that out later on. But yeah, that's how it's looking, man. Looking nice. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and support the thing as I always say. I fixed the car. Bow. I'm gonna insert a little clip somewhere in the video of any clips that I took. And yeah man, bless up to my new subscribers, got more lit content coming.